Is this class meant to be? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? Are you fine? Yes, I'm fine. How's life? So far, so good. Great. Okay. What is our lesson now? Our lesson now is conversation. Very great. Conversation. Before we going to our lesson, now please sit down properly and put your book and your stationery in the drawer. You, please put your book and your stationery in the drawer. Very great. As we know, we are on Wednesday, 9 of Jumadal Akhir, 1446 Hijriah. Is that true? And as we know too, now we are on 11 of December 2024. Okay, student, as we know, your real teacher in this lesson is Mr. Ferry Hidayat, and your real teacher in this period is Mr. Sharif Hidayatullah. Is that true? Okay. Now, allow me please to substitute them to teach you this lesson in this period. Okay. Now, before we going to our new lesson, I would like to give you something as the preface of this lesson. I would like to give you the preface. Say it together. Preface. What is preface? Please attention to the television. What do you see in the picture? When there is one person talking with another person, it is a conversation. Next. What language do they speak? English language. Do you want to speak English language like them?
Yes.
You want to speak English like them? Okay. Do you want to improve your English language? Very great. Because our title in this chapter is The Tips to Improve English Language. Say it together. The tips to improve English language.
The tips to improve English language.
Very great. before we going to our chapter, I would like to give you a vocabulary. What? A new words for you all. Please attention to me and the television. Listen and look at my mouth for a good pronunciation. The first vocabulary. The first vocabulary is memorize. The first vocabulary is memorize. Repeat after me. Memorize.
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 Who knows the meaning? Please answer it.
The meaning is mengingat.
And we say in English, what?
Memorize.
No, in English language, order from memorize,
Remember.
remember. Your answer is correct. Memorize, the meaning is remember. Very good. Now, I will give you the second vocabulary. Please pay attention to the television. The second vocabulary is afraid. The second vocabulary is afraid. Repeat after me. Afraid.
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 You. No. Repeat after me. Afraid.
Afraid.
You.
Afraid.
This group. Afraid.
Afraid.
Very good. One intensive B, who knows the meaning from afraid? Who? The meaning is?
Scared.
Correct answer. Please give applause. The meaning afraid is scared. The third vocabulary. Okay, the meaning from afraid is scared. The third vocabulary, pay attention to the television. Improve. The third vocabulary is improve. Say it together. Improve.
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 Improve. Good. You improve. The back improve. Okay. Who knows the meaning from improve? From this to this. Improve. Who knows the meaning? You. Please answer.
Upgrade.
Upgrade. Correctly answer. Or we can say in English, be better than before. Say it after me. Be better than before.
Be better than before.
Very great. The meaning of improve is be better than before. Okay? Are you get it?
Yes.
Now, we will go to the tips to improve our English language. If you want to improve our English language, I have 4 tips for you all. Please pay attention to the television. The first tip. The first tip is you must to increase the number of your vocabulary. You must to increase the number of your vocabulary. Repeat after me. Increase the number of vocabulary.
Increase the number of vocabulary.
Just with memorizing 2 or 3 or 4 new vocabularies every day, you will improve your English language. Because when you want to speak with language, you have to know the vocabulary first. And then, the first tip to improve English language is increase your vocabulary. Repeat after me. Increase your vocabulary.
Increase your vocabulary.
What the first tip? Increase the number of. Okay, nice. Now, I want to choose one of you to talk about the first tip. Get ready. Please, you talk about the first tip. Why we have to increase our number of vocabulary?
We must upgrade your vocabulary and memorize the first and increase your vocabulary.
Please say it again. Repeat it.
We must
Okay, please answer the question.
we must upgrade. We must study the vocabulary and memorize to increase vocabulary.
The first step, the first step is we must increase our number of vocabulary because what? With memorizing 2 or 3 new vocabularies every day, our English language will be what? Improved. Okay, are you get it? Understand? Now repeat it. Why? Increase our number of vocabulary can make our English improve.
We must memorize the first 2 and 3 vocabulary to be improved.
To improve our English
language.
Great. The first tip is increase number of vocabulary. This is the first tip. Repeat after me. Increase your number of vocabulary. Say it together. Increase your number of vocabulary.
Increase your number of vocabulary.
Nice. The second tip, you must to study grammar. The second tip is you must study the grammar. Repeat after me. Study the grammar.
Study the grammar.
Study the grammar.
Study the grammar.
Study the grammar, or with the grammar, your sentence will be in a good order. Or your speech, or your English language, when you want to use it, your English language or your sentence will be in a good order. Will be a correctly sentence. Understand? Are you understand it? Okay. Because of that, to improve your English language, you must study the grammar. What is our second tip? Our second tip is study the grammar. I would like to choose one of you. Okay, get ready. Talk about the second tip. Please. Talk about the second tip.
Study the grammar. With studying the grammar, our language will be in a good order.
Our language will be in a good order. Your answer is correct. Very great. We will next to the third tips. Okay? Please pay attention to the television again. The third tip is you must to practice the writing every day. You must to practice the writing every day. Write one paragraph or two paragraphs will make your writing and your English language better and better, or better than before. Okay? The third tip is practice the writing every day. Repeat after me. Practice the writing every day.
Practice the writing every day.
This group, practice the writing every day.
Practice the writing every day.
Okay. Now, I will choose one of you. Why we must practice the writing every day to improve our English language? Please, the back. You. Answer the question.
Write one paragraph or two paragraph every day will make your reading better and better.
Will make your writing
Better and better.
better and better. Your answer is correct. With practice the writing every day will make our writing and our English language better than before. Okay? Will improve our English language. The third tip. Then the third tip is practice the writing every day. Okay, understand? Okay. We will go to the fourth tip or the last tip. The fourth tip is you must practice conversation every day. In any time, anywhere. The last tip is practice conversation every day. Why you have to practice the conversation every day? Because with a practice conversation with English language every day, you will remember your vocabulary. You will remember your grammar. How to speak in a order or correctly English language. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid to speak. Just speak, speak, and speak will make your English language better and better. Understand? The fourth tip is practice conversation every day. Say it together. Practice conversation every day.
Practice conversation every day.
Practice conversation every day.
Practice conversation every day.
You, what is the fourth tip? Increase your volume. You increase your volume. Loudly again. What is the fourth tip? The fourth tip is, okay, please stand up. You answer the question.
Speak English will
No. What is the fourth tip?
practice conversation every day.
What is the fourth tip?
Practice conversation.
Okay, please sit down. And then, why? Practice conversation every day make our English improve.
Because if we practice conversation every day, that will make our conversation feel better and better.
Very good. Your answer is correct. Great. Okay, student. There is 4 tips to improve our English language. There is how many tips? 4 tips. The first tip is increase a number of our vocabulary. Study the grammar, practice the writing every day, practice the conversation every day. I will repeat the explanation for the last. Please pay attention to me. Why we must increase number of our vocabulary? Because with memorizing 2 or 3 new vocabulary every day, our English language will be improved. Okay? With memorize 2 or 3 new vocabulary every day, our language will be improved. The second tip, study the grammar. We have to study the grammar because if we want to write or speak with English language or make a sentence with English language, our sentence, our writing or our speech must be in a good order. Because of that, we study the grammar. The third tip, practice the writing every day. With writing, we can memorize our vocabulary. With writing, we can memorize our grammar. That's why practice the writing every day, make our English improve. And the last tip, practice the conversation every day. This is the mostly important tip. Because when we make a conversation with another person, we can know where is our mistake. Okay? And we will memorize our vocabulary. Are you get it? Yes. Now, I will read what the writing on the whiteboard. You have to hear it. I will read it all. Okay? Conversation. The tips to improve English language. Vocabulary. Memorize. The meaning is remember. Afraid, the meaning is scared. Improve, the meaning is be better than before. The first step, increase number of vocabulary. The second, study the grammar. The third, practice the writing every day. The fourth, practice the conversation every day. Do you hear it?
Yes.
Okay, after this, I want you to take your notebook. And then you have to write all of on the whiteboard. Do it. Your attention please. I will read the attendance sheet. Whose name is mentioned, kindly raise his hand up without voice. Afsan Asbik Fazarizas. Sit down please. Raise your hand up without voice. Understand what intensive B? Okay. I will repeat it. Afsan Asbik Fazarizas. Agam Dwi Putra. Agung Putra Etri. Ahmad Fakih Altof. Hudan Abdul Haq. Ahmas El Haq Furqon. Gesa Akbar Alfian. Hasan Khulki. Irmawan Yasri. Maulana Fatahila. Aidin Zafran. Zaki Az-Zahidi. Muhammad Fakih. Fauzan Rafi. Husni Faiz. Yusuf Ihsanul. Nizam Mulkil Akbar. He is sick. Rahmat Wahidin. Rifki Azri Khairan. Rais Ibnu Marzaki. Subadar. Sakif Albani. Sakif Arsalam. Wildan Badiuz Zaman. Have you completed your writing? Okay. Now, I will choose one of you to read their writing. Please, read your writing.
Conversation. The tips to improve English language. Vocabulary. Memorize. The meaning is remember. Afraid. The meaning is scared. Improve. The meaning is be better than before. The tips. The tips to improve English language. Increase number of vocabulary. Study the grammar. Practice the writing every day. And the last, practice the conversation every day.
Very nice. Your writing is correct. I will choose one more. Please, read your writing.
Conversation. The tips to improve English language. Vocabularies. First, memorize or remember. Second, afraid or scared. Third, improve or be better than before. The tips. First, increase the number of your vocabulary. Second, study the grammar. And the third, practice the writing every day. And the last, practice the conversation every day.
Okay. Your writing is correct. Very great. Now, all of you must read your writing without voice as the preparation for the question. Okay? Your notebooks, read your writing without voice as the preparation to answering the question. Okay, I think enough for you. After this, I will give you the question and get ready to answer it. You all must be to focus. Okay? The first question is, what is the meaning of memorize? You, please answer it. The meaning of memorize is remember. Repeat after me. Remember. Say it together. Remember. The meaning of memorize is remember. Your answer is correct. Now, put memorize in a complete sentence. You, please put memorize into a complete sentence. Loudly. I memorize my new vocabulary. Say it together. I memorize my new vocabulary every day. Your answer is correct. Very good. Now, the next question. What is the meaning of afraid? What is the meaning of afraid? You, please answer the question. The meaning of afraid is, your answer is correct. The meaning of afraid is scared. Okay. Now, the next question. Put afraid in a complete sentence. Put afraid in a complete sentence. I will repeat it again. Put afraid in a complete sentence. You, please answer the question. Can you make the sentence? Okay, please stand up first. You, please answer the question. I'm afraid to talk in front of. Please repeat it. Okay, sit down. Your answer is correct. We will go to the next question. Question number 5. What is the meaning of improve? What is the meaning of improve? It. The meaning of improve is be better than before. Correctly. Okay, student. The question number 9. We will go to the sentence. Okay? We will go to the tip. You have to make a sentence and talk about the tip after this. Yeah? Now, please close your notebook. Okay. Talk about the first tip. Please talk about the first tip. Please answer the question. Vocabulary. Please repeat your answer. Yes. We must to memorize 2 or 3 new vocabulary every day. Because to improve our English language. Okay. We will go to the next question. Talk about the second tip. talk about the second tip. You, please talk about the Please explain and talk about the second tip. Loudly. Okay, why? Please explain. Study the grammar, make our English language improve. Yes, because of what? Okay, please stand up first. You, please answer the question. Explain about the second tip.
Second tip is study the grammar. Because if we study the grammar, then we can talk in English language correctly and in a good order with other people.
Okay, repeat it.
Study the grammar because if you study grammar, you can talk in front of people correct.
What is your name?
My name is
Fakih. Please repeat your answer, Fakih. You have to pay attention. And the others, please listen Fakih answer.
If we study the grammar, then we can talk with English language correctly and in a good order to another people.
Okay. Fakih, repeat it.
If study grammar, we can talk. We can talk in front. We can talk in front of people correctly. Correct.
We can talk with English language correctly. Okay, that is why study the grammar can improve our English language. Please sit down. Your name is Fakih and your name is Fakih too. Okay, it's the same Fakih. Okay, the next question. Talk about the third tip. Explain about the third tip. Okay? You, please answer. Please talk and explain about the third tip. Practice the writing every day.
Practice writing every day. We will look in writing.
Okay? Repeat it again. The other have to listen.
We practice writing English
Every day. Yes?
we will be better and better
We will be better and better
in writing English language.
in writing English language. Your answer is correct. Okay. The next question. The fourth tip. Talk about the fourth tip. Explain it. You, please explain about the fourth tip.
The tip in fourth tip is we must memorize the new vocabulary every day because
Who is your name?
Irmawan.
Irmawan. Irmawan, please talk about the fourth tip. Practice conversation every day.
We must must memorize the new vocabularies for weekend conversation every day.
Your answer is correct, Irmawan. Yeah, I'm sorry. Your answer is wrong because the question is why we must practice conversation every day. Now, please stand up. You, please answer the question. Irmawan and the others have to listen.
Okay. We must practice the conversation.
Loudly.
We must practice the conversation every day because to speak English fluently, correctly, and upgrade and improve the English language skill.
Okay.
We must practice conversation, and we practice conversation every day. We can have vocabulary. We can increase number of vocabulary better and better.
Better and better. Okay. Who is your name? Agung. Your answer about the verb is why we must talk about the verb because we can remember or memorize the number of our vocabulary. Like that? Okay. Irmawan, please repeat the answer.
We must practice the conversation every day for weekend English language.
We can remember
English language and
we can remember the
vocabulary.
Okay, Agung, please repeat your answer shortly.
We must practice the conversation every day because we practice the conversation every day.
We practice the conversation every day because we can remember. Okay, Irmawan, please repeat your friend answer.
We must practice the conversation every day. Remember vocabulary better and better.
Okay, your answer now is correct. Please sit down. The last question. Talk about all the tips. Talk about all tips to improve English language. Get ready. I will choose one of you. You. Please talk about all the tips to improve English language.
So
Use this.
the first tip is to increase the number of vocabulary. So by memorizing two vocabulary, we can increase our English language better and better.
The first,
Is to increase the number of vocabulary.
because
We can by memorizing two vocabularies or three vocabularies, we can increase our English language.
okay. The second tip,
The second tip is study the grammar. By studying the grammar, we can make a sentence in a good order.
we can make a sentence in a good
Order.
Okay. The third,
Is practicing the writing every day, because by writing one paragraph or two paragraph, we can write in English language better.
okay. The fourth,
Is practicing the conversation every day, because by speaking with English language, we can memorize the new vocabularies and how to speak in a good order, and then we can write better, so we can speak better as well.
okay. Your answer is correct. One more from one intensive B to talk about all the tips. Get ready. Please. Talk about all the tips to improve English language.
So the first tip is increase number of vocabulary. The way to increase our number of vocabulary is to memorize 2 or 3 vocabularies every day. So if we do it for 1 week, so we got a lot of vocabularies. And the second, study the grammar. If we study the grammar, then we can know how to use our vocabulary to make in a sentence and to talk in a good English language. And the third, practice the writing every day. If we write the English paragraphs, 2 or 3 paragraphs maybe every day, then we can know what's the mistake from our sentences.
Okay.
And the fourth, practice the conversation every day. It's the most importantly tip from all the tips, because if we practice our conversation every day, then we can also know our mistake, because maybe there another people will correct us in our sentence.
Okay. Thank you. Your answer is correct. Very great. I need one more from one intensive to talk about all the tips how to improve English language. Get ready. Please talk about all the tips.
The first is increase of number of vocabulary.
Yes.
The increase on our vocabulary with the memorize every day, maybe we can have a lot of vocabulary, and we will better of English. We can talk in English language be better.
Okay.
And secondly is study the grammar.
Study the grammar. Okay. Why?
Because we will study how.
If we study,
we will know how to make sentence.
How to make
sentence be better
in a good
in a good sentence.
How to make sentence in a good or in a good order.
Order.
Repeat it. The second tip.
The second tips, we study the grammar that make us to good to us to.
Why we must study the grammar to improve English language?
That make us to.
Because when we study the grammar,
good order in English.
No,
language.
repeat it. Because when we study the grammar, okay,
that's we can talk.
We can make
sentence
in
order
in a good order. Now the third tip.
Practice the writing every day.
Okay.
That's if we writing practice every day, we know what is the mistake, our mistake, and the fourth or the last practice.
Yes.
The conversation every day. If we talk with other people can talk to us. What is our.
No, the fourth, practice the conversation every day will make. Okay, please stand up. Just the fourth. Talk about the fourth. You, what is your name? Wildan. Please pay attention, okay, and listen the answer. You, who is your name?
Fauzan Rafi.
Fauzan, answer. Why we must practice the conversation every day? The others must pay attention.
We must practice the conversation every day to improve our English language.
Yes. Because with the conversation,
conversation, we can talk with other people in other in
okay, you can't talk it though. Stand up please. The last, you, please answer it again.
So if we practice the conversation every day, then we can know our mistake when we are talking to another, because maybe there one or from our friends that will correct our sentence.
Okay, your answer is if you practice the conversation every day, it will be make sure if our English language is correctly. Please repeat the answer.
If we
Practice.
the conversation every day, we can find our mistake
Okay.
in our conversation.
Okay, nice. Your answer is correct. Please sit down. You will then answer it. Continue your answer.
If we practice every day, we know what is our mistake, and that makes us to improve our language.
Okay, please sit down. Your answer is correct. Okay, student, I think it's over or enough us because the time is over. Now, I wish you all can use the tips to improve English language better. Don't just know, but you have to do. Don't just know it, but you have to do it. Because what? Because if we just know how to improve, but we don't do the tips, it's just will be not anything. Okay? Like that. Understand one intensive B? Okay. I will make you all proud, and then now please give applause to us. Yeah. Don't forget to use the tips. This is for me. I really sorry if there is some mistake from me. And last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye. See you again.
Hilmi. I express my deep appreciation for you, Hilmi, for your highly dedicated efforts to become excellent teachers. Yeah, I really appreciate all the hard work you can do it, and you put into being a excellent and good teacher. I have some notes for you. What I see before when you teach and practice teachers in the classroom. I think you have only 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, yes. But I want to focus how you can do during 1 hour to send your message about the title to your students. This is I think the important one you can do during 1 hour. The second, I think you can, loss of many time, in many words, you can bring out that. For example, when you explain the vocabularies, I listen you repeat more than 3 times the first vocabulary. I think this is not what I say. Not important for, not necessary for you to repeat more than 1 times. Only the first vocabulary is remember. Repeat to me. Remember, remember, remember. Yeah. The second vocabulary is not only just 1 times. The second vocabulary is, what you say? The second? Afraid. Listen to me and repeat after me and follow after me. Afraid, afraid, afraid. Okay? Increase your vocabulary. Study the grammar. I think this is Javanese intonation. Study the grammar. Study the grammar. Englishmen and American people don't. Now you are the English teacher, not Japanese teacher. Yes, I know that you are Japanese, but you are now an English teacher, not Japanese teacher. Okay, so your intonation must be better. Okay, increase your vocabulary, please. Study the grammar, not study the grammar. Repeat to me. Study the grammar. Study the grammar. No. Study the grammar. Study the grammar. This is the English intonation. You can follow like native speaker in how to spell and to intonate your voice by English. Do not stop and silent more when students cannot answer your question. This is take too much time for you. You lost much time. You can improvise yourself to make class